Roll camera. Roll sound.
इधर क्या कर रही है क्या कर रही है
Best thing about being part of Roadies, this amazing tent, this adventure that you never get anywhere, the places we go to, the air we breathe.
Okay, run. Go.
Scariest roadies moment was when on Roadie 7 a task was going on and there was a snake that was going out of control. It was in Egypt.
मेरा फिनाले करंट और -डिग्री टेम्परेचर और उसके बाद मड में गीला होने के बाद करंट लाइक
Having to have a bath with ice cold water is damn scary, and it's freezing cold here.
Moments have been when people are leaving. One of them was also when a swap happened when I was a gang leader between Aviral and Gurmeet. It's quite emotional. And when Monica was being voted out because we were trying to save Gurmeet, who was another gang, and I really broke down because the kind of things that the roadies were saying about me while they were leaving were so amazing, and I was like, what am I like even worried about? These guys think of me like this. So yeah, it was very emotional.
I'm trying to think back to last year's season about what was the most emotional moment. I think it was when the last roadie from my gang got eliminated. That was Priyank.
व्हेन मैं बसीर को लाइक जिता नहीं पाया था और उसके अलावा मिलन जब फर्स्ट एपिसोड में निकल गया था एंड डिजर्व करता था वो आगे जाने के लिए
Defining strength would be a tricky one because it comes in so many different shapes and forms. There's mental strength, there's physical strength, there's agility, there's having game sense, and I think if you kind of average all of that out, you're going to get one name, Ranvijay.
When it comes to physical strength, the strongest gang leader is Prince. When it comes to mental strength, the strongest is Nikhil Chinappa. When it comes to grit, when it comes to never say die attitude, it is Neha.
Mentally, I think Nikhil's the strongest. Physically, I think Prince is the strongest. There's a certain amount of agility and coolness and likability. In that factor, Raftaar is the strongest. And then there's me.
I fear failure. Failure in a way where I have not been able to perform and fail.
I have maintained that in water, if I know there's a crocodile or an alligator or a shark, I will be pretty scared.
Elephants in the wild, not tame elephants. Elephants in the wild.
So this journey is very long and tough. So I think I need entertainment all the time. So I would want Karan Johar in my car for sure. There's me, somebody who can rough it out, and he has a lot of strength and all of that. So Ranveer Singh would be amazing. Wow, this is getting exciting. My car's getting exciting. I think one chick would be great. I think you need one person to balance me out who's super nice and every aspect that I lack in, she overcompensates for me. Is a very dear friend of mine, Soha. So yeah, I'd like her.
Anu Malik. There's a guy who KRK and this is hard. Rahul Gandhi.
Jirka. First. Okay, second Karan Grover, Bipasha.
There are things that money can't buy. Being on the roadies extreme journey is definitely one of them.